Just had a delivery from the absolute legends at Kincrome that have always got my back with the best tools known to man. So what I'm doing is building a new workbench, and Kincrome has supplied me with something pretty exciting that's going to go underneath the workbench. Let's open it up and check it out. We've got 2 side boxes, fucking awesome, and then this beast. Yeah, rad. So the boxes go either side, so I'll bolt them on, and then I'm going to build a tool bench over the top of it. So let's start getting things sorted and making a bench. Kincrome stuff set up, so it's in place. So now I've got to take all this RHS and build a workbench over the top of this thing. I'm going to take these bottom wheels off just to get it to sit a bit lower, so once I put the bench on top, it's going to sit around 900 mil high. But it is incredible. I'm so stoked. So check inside. So inside each one of these lockers, I can hang stuff on here with hooks. I've got 2 drawers down the bottom here. Put stuff in, shelves, then I've got this massive big long deep drawer which is going to have all my pry bars and stuff in it, and then I've got a million drawers here which is just killer, and the same with the other one. So this is the same as the opposite side. So it's now time to take that RHS and build a bench over the top, so let's do it. Alright, so we've got the bench sort of mocked up and welded together. I've got to put a top on it, and then what I'm doing is running a leg off here with a seat that'll swivel out and then back in. So I've now got to pop this over the top of the bench, make sure it's all good, and then we'll carry on. Alright guys, so bench top is on, full solid hardwood. Yes, I do want to use some steel on top of this bench. So what I'm going to do is route out this section of the bench and take a couple of mil out, and then I'm going to inlay a piece of stainless steel. So this last quarter of the bench is going to be stainless steel, and then this half will be timber. So if I'm drilling into things, I can drill straight into the bench. Things like that, doesn't faze me. So I'm just doing a clear coat on it now. Once I get this clear coated, I'm going to then pull this frame back out and paint it after I attach my seat. So I'm just running a few coats of clear on it now, and then in the morning I'll probably do another couple, and then we're good to go. Rightio, we are all done. I've decided to hold off on this back section on doing the stainless steel insert yet because I'm not sure on how much of the bench I want to do, whether I want to do 3/4 or half or whatever. So I've ended up painting the frame black. I made the seat for it. So now it basically just drops in like so, and it'll swing out of the road, and then when I need it, I can swing it over here and do my electrical work or whatever. And then when I'm done, I can take it out, put it there. So everything's sweet, nothing's hitting, it's all good. So this is it. It's time to start using it and do some work. Thanks again to Kincrome Tools for our box of tools and everything else they've supplied us with over the years. We appreciate the support, guys. Check out their website for all your tools. And thanks again for watching. We appreciate the support. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see all our future videos. Thanks, guys.